This one, I think.
Hey. Making cookies.
No, you want some coffee?
No.
Good enough. Aha. A straw. Oh, mummy.
Da, 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 da.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's a cold coffee. See, you whip the coffee, and it like floats on top of the milk, and then you mix it all together and you drink it.
I'm supposed to mix it now?
Yeah.
Where? It's thick.
Yeah.
It's so thick.
My arms hurt now.
Wow. And that's all milk.
It's all milk in the bottom, and then you put instant coffee and sugar together with a little bit of water, hot water in the top.
Smells good.
Heck yeah.
This straw isn't thick enough. Strong.
Those are the only straws. Those were the only straws we had, man.
I found your stainless steel ones actually.
Oh, did? Oh, well.
Out in the shop.
Well, now you tell me.
Woo-wee!
It will be strong because there's a lot of coffee in there.
It'll keep me buzzing. Buzzing for a while.
Cool though, right?
Mm-hmm.
3 ingredients.
Sugar and milk.
Add a lot of elbow grease.
Can't you use a mixer?
Yeah, you can.
Then you don't get muscles though.
Ugh.
From stirring it. You know what that would be good with?
Kahlua?
Yeah, a shot of that would make it prettier. That's cool the way it's so thick at the top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like a cafe style drink. It's very simple. It mostly just looks really cool. And I was bored, so I figured I'd give it a shot. And it actually worked.
Mm. This is just regular milk that you whip it with?
There's milk in the bottom.
Right, and up here is...
This is what you have to mix first. You mix instant coffee, equal parts instant coffee, hot water, and sugar.
Okay.
And then you whip that until your arm feels like it's going to fall off. And then when that happens, you whip it some more. And then you switch the other arm and wait until that arm's ready to fall off. And then it's probably ready. And then you put milk in the bottom, and then you float this on top, and it, yeah. Looks really cool, and it tastes good, too. If you like strong coffee. Because there's a lot of coffee in there.
And then, well, there's enough sugar in it so that it tastes good.
Yeah.
You didn't get my face, did you? With my 2 pairs of glasses. My bifocals.
Yes, I did.
Did you get my guns?
Yes, I did get those. And say hi to YouTube and Facebook. Hi. What'd you think of the Dalgona coffee? Yay! Haha. So, if any of you guys are bored out there and you really like coffee and you have these 3 ingredients lying around and a whisk in a bowl, try some Dalgona coffee. I'm hot now. That was a lot of whipping.